Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. So in this video I am going to start with a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So in today's class I will be covering addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. I will give few examples and then after that I will start with exercise 8.1. So let's begin the class. Now first we will see how to add two or more algebraic expressions. So the rule says while adding algebraic expression, we collect the like terms and then we have to add them. Now to add algebraic expression, we have two methods. First is row method, second is column method. Now I'm going to explain both the methods one by one, and for solving the question, whichever method you find it easy, you can use it. So this is an example. I have to add these three algebraic expressions. So first I'm going to show using row method. So using row method, what you have to do, first write the first algebraic expression 6a plus 8b minus 5c. Then put plus sign and write the second expression 2b plus c minus 4a. Again you put the plus sign and then write the third expression a minus 3b minus 2c. Now as per the rule, what we have to do, we have to collect the like terms and then we have to add. So let's collect the like terms. So my first term is 6a. So now I have to see in the complete expression where is other term which is also having a as a variable. So I can see here minus 4a and plus a. So I'm going to group it together. So minus 4a plus a. Now second is plus 8b. Now I have taken this. So again I have to see what are the like terms. So 2b minus 3b. So I am going to write that plus 2b minus 3b. And then minus 5c. And the like term having c as a variable is plus c minus 2c, which is over here. Okay, now let's add the like term. So 6 minus 4 will give me 2 and 2 plus 1 it will give me 3. So this will be 3a plus 8 plus 2 10, 10 minus 3 7. So 7b. Next minus 5 plus 1. See before C there is no numerical coefficient written, right? So it means it is 1. So we have to do minus 5 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 and then minus 2. So I will get minus 6c. So this is your addition using row method. Now I'm going to show the column method. So in the column method, what you have to do, you have to write each expression one below the other. So I have written the first expression here. Now the second expression I have and third expression I have to write below it. But we have to keep it in mind that the like term should fall one below the other. So for the second expression, if I see it is 2b plus c minus 4a. And here in the first expression we have 6a. So it means minus 4a should come below 6a. So I have to write it like this. Minus 4a plus 2b plus c. And you can see the like terms are one below the other. Same way we have to do with the third expression. So I have written one below the other and then you have to add it. So just add it. So for adding, just add the numerical coefficient. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So it is 3a. Then plus 8 plus 2. So plus 10. Plus 10 minus 3 is plus 7. So plus 7b. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. And then minus 2 will give you minus 6c. So here you can see that column method is more easy, right? And just you have to arrange one below the other and you have to add it. Okay. So this is all about the addition of algebraic expression. Now next I am moving to subtraction of the algebraic expressions. So subtraction of the algebraic expressions. So the rule says that you have to write the given expression in two rows in such a way that the like terms occur one below the other. Now this first statement we did it for addition also, isn't it? When we were adding two expression using column method, we have written both the expression one below the other in such a way that like terms occur one below the other, right? And here one more thing you have to keep it in mind, the expression which you have to subtract, that should be in the second row. Okay. Then you have to change the sign of each term in the lower row. Now the meaning for this is if the term suppose first term is having plus sign, that plus sign you have to change to minus, and if any term is having minus sign, you have to change it to plus, and then you have to add column wise. So this rule is for the column method, but you can subtract using row method also. So I'm going to show you one example. So here you have to subtract 4a plus 5b minus 3c from 6a minus 3b plus c. So first I'm going to use the row method. Now I have seen that children, they do a lot of mistake when the question come like this, subtract this from this. They are not able to understand only which expression to be written first. So just keep this thing in mind. Whatever expression is written after from, that expression should come first. Okay, so after from, here it is 6a minus 3b plus c. So using row method, you have to first write that and then put the subtraction sign and then write the other expression within the bracket. And as there is a subtraction sign before the bracket, when you open the bracket, what will happen? The sign will change for each term. Okay, so you have to write it as 6a minus 3b plus c minus 4a minus 5b plus 3c. So you have seen 4a was positive, it became minus. This plus 5b became minus 5b and minus 3c became plus 3c. And why it has happened? Because before bracket there is a subtraction sign. Now you have to group the like terms. So 6a minus 4a, then minus 3b minus 5b, and then plus c plus 3c. So subtract it now. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus 3 minus 5 will give me minus 8. And c plus 3c will give you plus 4c. So this is the final answer. Now next I am going to show this using the column method. So again here first you have to write the expression which is written after from. So 6a minus 3b plus c, and the second row you have to write the expression which is to be subtracted, but you have to keep it in mind like term should fall one below the other. So here it will be 4a, then plus 5b, and then minus 3c. Now as per the rule, what you have to do now, you have to change the sign of each term in the lower row. Now this is your lower row. So 4a is plus, you have to change it to minus. Plus 5b will change to minus, and minus 3c will change to plus. Now what you have to do? You have to read it as 6a minus 4a. Okay, so 6a minus 4a if you do, you will get 2a. Second one, minus 3b minus 5b. So minus 3 minus 5 will give minus 8b. And then plus c plus 3c. So it will give you plus 4c. So if you can see here, in the row method also I have got the same answer. In the column method also I have got the same answer. Now I am going to solve the exercise question. So exercise 8.1 I am going to start now. So exercise 8.1, question number 1, add the following. You have to add AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. So let's add it together. So I am using the row method here. AB minus BC plus BC minus CA, and then plus CA minus AB. Now group the like terms. So AB and here is minus AB. Both are like terms, so add it. Then minus BC plus BC, and then minus CA plus CA. Now I have grouped all the like terms together. So I can see AB minus AB, it will become 0. Minus BC plus BC, this is also 0. Minus CA plus CA, this is also 0. So all will get cancelled out and your answer will be 0. Okay. Now second question. You have to add A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, and C minus A plus AC. So let's add it. So A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. Now again group the like terms. So A and minus A. You can see here is minus as I've grouped it. Now minus B and then plus B. Then minus C is here and then plus C is here. And then after that AB plus BC plus AC. AB, BC, AC, they don't have any like terms. I have written like that. Now a minus a is 0, minus b plus b is also 0, minus c plus c is also 0. So this all will get cancelled out. So I am left with ab plus bc plus ac. So this is your required answer. Now moving to the third question. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 and then 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Okay, now I am going to solve this using column method. Now it's up to you. You can use any method. Okay. So 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Now the second expression you have to write below it in such a way like term should fall one below the other. So p square q square, I can see it is here. So I will write here minus 3p square q square, then plus 7pq and then plus 5. Now add it. So 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1. So minus p square q square minus 3 plus 7 will give you plus 4 pq and plus 4 plus 5 will give you plus 9. So this is the required answer. Now the fourth question, L square plus m square plus m square plus n square, then plus n square plus L square, and then it is 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Now you can see here if you group the like term, here is L square, here is also L square. So it will become 2L square. Then m square plus m square is also 2m square plus n square plus n square is 2n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Now you can see in each term you have 2, isn't it? So 2 will be the common factor. So you have to take 2 common. So it will be L square plus m square plus n square plus lm plus mn plus nl. So this is the required answer. So question 1 was having these 4 questions. Now moving to question number 2. So question number 2 is subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So now again you can use any of the method. If you are comfortable in column method, you can use column method. If you are comfortable in row method, you can use the row method. I am going to use the column method. So you again try to recall what did I say, which expression you have to write first. Okay, remember I have told the expression which is written after from that should come first. Okay, so I have to write first 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now the second expression you have to write below it, but you have to take care that the like term should fall one below the other. So here it will come 4a, then minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now as you are subtracting, the rule says you have to change the sign of all the terms written in the second expression. So here plus 4a will become minus, minus 7ab will become plus, plus 3b will become minus, and plus 12 will also become minus. Now 12 minus 4 will give you 8a, minus 9 plus 7 will give you minus 2ab, plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2b, and minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. So this is the required answer. Okay. If you can see column method when you are doing, easily you can do. Just you have to take care that like term should fall one below the other. And if it is a subtraction, you have to change the sign of each term in the second expression. And then you have to add it. Now, the second question is subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So again, the expression which is written after from that will come first. So it will be 5xy then minus 2yz then minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Then below that you have to write the another expression. Just you have to keep it in mind. Like term should fall one below the other. So 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Okay, it has got only 3 terms. Now you have to change the sign. So plus 3xy became minus 3xy plus 5yz will be minus and minus 7zx will become plus. Now 5 minus 3 is 2xy, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7yz, and minus 2 plus 7 will give you plus 5zx, and 10xyz will remain as it is. Okay, so this is your required answer. Now question 2, last question is subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So again I am going to use the column method. So first I am going to write this expression. Okay, I am going to start writing from the highest power of p. So first I am going to write 5p square q, then minus 2pq square, then plus 5pq, minus 11q, then minus 3p plus 18. And then below that you have to write the like term of the other expression. So it is 4p square q. Then here it is pq square. So pq square is here. So I have to write plus 5pq square. Then minus 3pq. Then plus 7q. Minus 8p and minus 10. So I've written all the like terms one below the other, right? Now I have to change the sign of each term of the second expression. So plus will become minus. This plus also become minus. This minus 3pq will become plus. Plus 7q will become minus 7q. Minus 8p will be plus 8p and minus 10 will be plus 10. Now let's 5 minus 4 will be 1. So it will be only p square q. Minus 2 minus 5 will give minus 7pq square. And plus 5 plus 3 will give plus 8pq. Then minus 11 minus 7 is minus 18q. Minus 3 plus 8 will be plus 5p. And plus 18 plus 10 is plus 28. So this is the required answer. Okay, so I have done with exercise 8.1. So that's all for today's class. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends also.